Hey, what's up guys? TDC was cool enough to send me this Thor Rechargeable Headlight. So I'm going to walk you through and show you some of the things that I really liked about it, and then show you some real use case scenarios that I've already used it in. So far it's been really cool and I do love it. So first off, you can see it has a nice adjustable strap here. Obviously you can see I've got a bald head, kind of a peanut head, so it's really nice that the strap itself is soft and it's easily adjustable. Just put it on here so I can easily slide it on. Then it has this adjustable strap here, so you just slide this forward or back to loosen it or tighten it. It feels fine. There's no parts of it where I feel like it's like digging into my scalp or anything, so that's good. And a lot of times I also wear hats, so I can easily throw my hat on, then just readjust a little bit. So I can just throw it on top of my hat there. And then the lights itself, they're really cool. I do like this light. I've used it already in a lot of different places. For example, I take it down to the panel and I can use this so I can, do work on my panel, or when the power's off, actually change the plugs out. Now that I gave you just a quick intro about it, I'm actually going to take you and show you how it looks inside my attic, in my panel, and I've got like a huge crawl space in my house. So I'll take you in the crawl space so you can see how much light we have in there. Alright guys, so we're actually in my utility room right now. What's in front of you that you can't see is my electrical panel, because I have all the power and lights off in here. So I'm going to go ahead and hit on my headlight here so you can see an emergency, power's out, just need to do some work. It easily lights up your workspace so you can see what's going on and safely, do what you need to do. We had some bad weather last night and the power went out, so this came in really handy for that. Alright guys, so now here we are in my crawl space. So I've been told my crawl space is unusually huge, and I do a lot of DIY work myself, so you can see without any light in here, it's like pitch black. When I turn the headlight on, I can just see so much better. I can see everything down here. So as I'm doing any type of work, you can see that big channel. I can see almost all the way down to the other end of my house down there. So there it is again with the light off. So that's the low, medium, and then high with all of the lights on. So I can see like all the way down to the other end of my house, which is crazy. That's really cool, and I do absolutely love that. And now the last thing I'm going to show you, I'm going to walk you up and show you into my attic. Alright guys, so now here we are standing in a section of my attic, which again, super dark in here. I don't have any lights. Sometimes I need to come in here and check on stuff. See, I've got some wires, and I told you we had a storm last night. I wanted to come in and check out and see if I had any visible water damage or anything. So I threw my headlight on today and came in here to check it out, and thankfully I didn't see anything. But having this light has been so useful for me already, and I haven't even had it very long, but I super love this thing. It came fully charged. I haven't had to charge it up. I'm really impressed with it. I think it's a really good product. So guys, as you can see, in the short time I've had this thing, I've already had so many opportunities to use it. It's already helped me so much. One of the things that I did forget to mention already is that how you charge it. It comes with this USB cord, and on the ends down here it just has this USB-A to USB-C, and this USB-A is actually an output. So I actually plugged this into my computer and it acted like a power bank. I had enough power to actually charge my computer a little bit. Full disclosure, I didn't try to fully charge it, I just noticed that it actually worked. But how you actually charge the battery itself is to use the USB-C here. So you'll plug the USB-A into your computer or charging cube or whatever, and then plug your USB-C into this, and that's how you actually charge it. But again, it's a really cool light. I love this thing, and I expect to be having it around for a really long time.